welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make gulab jamun using suji or rava. Very easy, delicious and instant recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixer jar, add 1 cup of rava or suji. Grind it to a very fine powder. Transfer it to a mixing bowl. To this, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of ghee. Mix it well using a spoon. Make sure the ghee is well spread. Now it's nicely done, so start adding 1/2 cup of hot milk little at a time and mix well until you get a nice and thick consistency. It should look something similar to the normal instant gulab jamun mixed dough. Now it's nicely done, so let this rest for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes now and our dough is ready. Give it a quick mix. Grease your hands with ghee and pull out a small portion and make a smooth ball out of it. Likewise, make all the balls and keep it ready. Heat a pan and add 2 cups of sugar and 2 cups of water. Let this boil in high flame for 6 minutes until they are nice and thick. Now we have it right. You can also add some cardamom powder if you like the flavor. It's optional. I'm not adding any today. Keep the sugar syrup ready. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, add the balls one by one. Don't overcrowd. Add 6 to 8 balls at a time. Fry in medium flame until they turn nice and golden brown. Flip it in regular intervals. Make sure all the sides of the balls are evenly cooked and are in same color. Now it's 5 minutes and the balls are nice and golden brown, so let's now remove them. Add it directly to the sugar syrup. Likewise, fry all the balls and add it to the sugar syrup. Let this soak for 3 to 8 hours. After that, you can enjoy this delicious suji gulab jamun with your family and friends. You can store it in your refrigerator and enjoy for 3 to 4 days. Very easy and delicious dessert recipe. So do try this suji gulab jamun recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.